Hello guys, namaste. Today I'm going to show you one paying guest. Just in case if you are new to Bangalore and if you're looking for a PG near where Mahadevpura. This is an ideal PG. This is the main road. Royal PG for ladies. This is the PG. Here you can see the owner's contact details. Also, you can just pause the video and check out. So let's get in. What is inside? So basically, this is almost 200 capacity PG. This is a very newly built PG as of May 2022. So well maintained, very nice PG. So these are the double sharing rooms. What I'm showing you, you can see double sharing rooms, new bath fittings. So excellent facility. In case if you're looking for PG near Mahadevpura or Outer Ring Road, this should be your choice. So this PG has double lift. In case one lift fails also there will be no issues. So you can see it's a very good ambience actually. So this is one more two sharing rooms. There are such almost 20 rooms of such this is the bath fittings. Everything is new. The PG is newly built PG and this is a three sharing room, very spacious, very good, excellent of the quality. Again the bath fittings are very new. So the ambience for ladies PG, this is one of the best choice. So this either you can go for two sharing or single sharing. Single sharing will be almost 13,000, 12,000 to 15,000 based on your package budget. You can choose two sharing, three sharing, or single sharing. So this is the common walking area. So you can see the ambience. So that is the Durga Residency apartment just beside the main road of the PG. So the PG is well fitted with CCTV cameras. So security is not an issue. So since it's a new PG, all the other stuffs are lying over here. This is the common dining area. So having food and he is the main owner, Obiah, who gave me an opportunity to do all these videos and everything. So this is the common kitchen area. Hope you can like it. So there will be a refrigerator common. So basically this is the contact details of the PG.